Hello students, I'm Raman Gupta, and today the topic we are going to discuss is Francis Bacon. Francis Bacon was born in 1561 and died in 1626. He was born in London, England. His father was Lord Keeper of the Seal at Queen's office, and Queen used to call Bacon as Little Lord Keeper. This is very important uh, from examination point of view, objective type questions, that Francis Bacon was called Little Lord Keeper by Queen. He was appointed Queen's Counsel in 1598. He was also imprisoned for taking bribes. For corruption, he was charged and imprisoned. Pope said a very important quotation which Pope said about Bacon: wisest, brightest, meanest of mankind. I repeat it: the wisest, brightest, meanest of mankind. All these characteristics were present in Francis Bacon. He is known for his collection of essays named Essays, which was published in 1597. He represents Elizabethan literature. He was a leading writer in Elizabethan age. The characteristics of Bacon's essays are: his essays are precise in nature. There are many other qualities like brevity, comprehensive knowledge of classics. When we read his essays, we find that there is a comprehensive knowledge of classics available in them. He has used various literary devices like metaphor. In his essay of studies, we see the comparison of natural abilities to the growth of a plant. The other feature of his essays are terseness of expression. In his essays, we find terseness of expression. Then, epigrammatic gravity is also present. Epigrams have been frequently exercised by him, and we find epigrammatic gravity in his essays, in his statements. And one unique thing which is present in his essays is beginning with some catchy phrase. All of his essays start with some catchy phrase or a question. This form is exercised by him just to attract readers, or sometimes he has used figurative language to attract the readers. His essays are philosophical. He himself is philosophical as well as scientific. He has frequently used scientific theories even he had propounded some theories through his essays. That's why he is called a pioneer of modern science. He was philosophical. His essays were philosophical, no doubt, but he is scientific also equally. So these are some important characteristics of his essays, and in the next video we'll discuss the essays written by Francis Bacon. Thank you.